If you want to update your cart, you will have to go on Shopify, even if it is a dropmagic cart. You will click on online store, then on personalized, customized. Then you will click on product page. You will go on the product page, okay, so the magic products. And so we'll do the test. So as you can see now, for the moment, this is the card that we have. So we have chosen to give you the possibility to have a drawer, which is, in my opinion, the best possibility if you want to have a high conversion rate on your store. But you can update it if you want. You just have to go on the settings, magic card drawer. So here you can select if you want either a drawer, a card page, or only a notification. You can update all the text. You can add some upsell if you want. You can add some trust badge. You can update trust badges that are here. You can do basically everything you want. And even if you want to use your own cart, the cart of your team, of your Shopify theme, you just have to click on use another custom drawer and you will have the possibility to use yours.